Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate this 90s outfit on Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to be removing everything except for the ones I made adjustments on as per usual. It's just easier that way, and I did use some VIP items, so just a reminder. For the hair, I use this hair in blonde. You can use any color that you want, of course. Position the Y at 0.57, Z 0.64, rotate the X to 0.47, and scale it to 0.37. Grab this hair and no accessory in the same color. Position the Y at 0.55, rotate the X to 0.49, and scale it to 0.26. Grab this hair in long, no adjustments made. I'm just going to use these glasses in the second toggle in this blue color here, 434 F69. I think I'm just going to make it a little bit darker. For the top, I'm going to layer this top on in this color, CBB97F in leather. Oh, I just realized I deleted the turtleneck. It's fine, I'll do it again. Grab this one too in that same color in leather. And then this in that same color in leather as well. Then I used this skirt in this pattern in the white toggle. Used this belt. Make sure you color it first before you change it to the second toggle. So select the zebra pattern first, and then go to the second toggle. Position the the Y to 0.44, Z 0.51, rotate the X to 0.49, and scale it to 0.57. For the turtleneck, I used this in that same color in leather, and I just scaled it down all the way to 0, and I'm just going to adjust it to fit that part. I think we'll work with that. Position the Y to 0.13, Z 0.53, rotate the X to 0.46, and scale it to 0. I used these socks in the high stripe socks, and I colored it this blue, C3D7FD, and I just used these heels. Lastly, I just used this bag here in like a maroon color and in gold for the middle part. And that is it for this video. Don't mind the back, please. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.